My name is Karim Heredia, and I'm a software developer working with the development team, and I'm based in Tallinn, Estonia. There is a similarity between a programming language and a spoken language in the sense that you do things differently. For example, if you're writing Java code, you know that you're going to be super verbose before you are able to even do a really small task. So I would say that's like Spanish. You need to talk about the weather before you ask the business question. However, there is some other languages which are very strict. You have to say things the right way or otherwise it doesn't work. And I would classify that as, for example, German. So I love these nuances between different languages and mentalities. I like to learn by myself. I'm really bad at learning with groups because always at the beginning I have the problem that I'm really slower than everyone else. Then I get frustrated and people get frustrated with me and then I give up. While later, if I keep up with that, later I will be faster than others. I think there is a role of technology in language learning because I bet there is many more people like me who don't like to learn in big groups or they want to keep their own pace. So I started using the Linguist app just a few weeks ago. Haven't used it for long. I have used some other competitors, but one thing that I am in love with is checking my own stats. Something that you cannot do in life that easily is you cannot measure your progress. Of course, you can measure your weight. So I weigh myself every day, even though I don't succeed. I can see my growing curve. But I like to see the numbers. I like to see the data. What happened this day? And I can say, well, there was the Linguist party 2 days later, and I gained some weight, right? So it's the same with languages. If you speak enough, if you study enough, you can see the growth. So I'm really interested in the stats. And not only for me, I love in the app that you can see your own progress, but I want to see the overall progress. And I love to see how people are learning more and more every day and how more users are discovering and how many people are coming back to actually use the applications that we provide. So then those are the two sides that I see. And I think Linguist has the potential to grow in both sides greatly. And that's what I can say.